Rabbit to Coronado, back to Rabbit. Jump by si Christian. Makes the shot and this will rebound. So the front, the magician, pass. Away. Oh.
Sayang! Malaking sayang!
Hindi pa sa'yo, tira yun eh.
Dribble.
Masarap manood talaga pag ganito.
Lapos na. Di ba sakit sa loob?
Jump. One goal again. Oh, Bore, pick up the ball.
Pasok mo na!
Kaso hindi na kuha sa video yung mga magic nyo.
Yes, sir. Running jump.
Nangangatog ng Tony Brad.
Bring the ball.
Bugak.
For the front by the magician. Montalban reserve. And
The Trouble!
Marco Pulpo by Montalban.
Sayang. Wala na.
Coronado. Rabbit.
Update pa naman bukas.
Coronado to the front court. Rabbit drive. Jump. Yes. Back to back by Rabbit.
43 na.
Sure mo na yan!
For the front by the magician. Jorge inside.
Pasok!
Yes.
Restart.
Kuha ba yun?
Coronado.
Hindi ko alam. Bahala na siya mamaya.
Rabbit zigzagging. Oh boy. Rebound Jorge. Pass spreading to Bakayan. What a move. Oh boy. Pass. Nice. Oh, yes. Pass.
Got it! My goodness!
Oh, what a shot by the Lacrosse. Basket is counted to the official.
Outport.
The clutch at the free throw line. Taking 2.4.
Paibot!
Penalty. Rabi inside. One goal rebound. The ball is out.
Jeffrey.
Ilabas.
20 physical rebound is
Buntal
Montalban.
ba?
Grabe yung
Ilabas.
Narinig niya. Lakas na pantinig ah.
Outside.
Para ka pusa.
Cross to the official.
Saling pusa.
Narinig niya yun.
Running for penalty. Shot by Coronado. Alharte is the record at the free throw line.
Malakas palang pandinig niya.
Last throw by Coronado.
Walay.
Yes,
Pasok ka.
1 out of 2.
Hindi pa yata nakakasip ko.
The magician.
Mag-shoot ka naman.
To the front by the magician.
Gusto ka. Ano?
At 2 minutes.
Sayang!
Score inbounding. Coronado. Coronado outside. Pass to Pascual. Downtown. Rebound, lift the ball. Take out by Mr. Buck.
Pasok mo na, Jeff!
One goal. Take it up by Coronado. Coronado inside. Lost ball to Pascual. One goal, lost ball.
Salsal kaya ata.
Wow, Montalban.
Si Bong.
Bong, pasok!
Sing and shot ka.
Oh, pasok!
Ano?
Oh, rebounding.
Okay, maganda ba laro ni Montalban dati?
Hindi ba yung gano'n?
Coronado inside.
Sultan
Taken.
3 points.
Fires. Yes. Latest play by Coronado. To the front by the magician. Pass to the Mr. Kraft. De La Crosse at the outside. Magician inside. Back to De La Cruz. Downtown shot. Rebound by Block. Take it up by Robin. Robin inside.
Sige, Ted.
Oh, nice play. Quick and bounding.
Sige mo!
Pasok mo na.
Pass to Boy. Take it up. Another by Boy.
Pasok. Good, 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 good.
The tower of power.
Power of love.
SKC!
Floor. To the
Power of
front.
love.
Coronado versus Bakayan. Coronado. Jump. Rebound. Oh, the Diesel controlling the ball.
Let's go. Apat.
Pasok! Borrell! Rebound, Borrell! There's the ball! Follows up by Mr. Boa! The Magician! The ball is up!
Sayang.
Symbol to the official.
Apat kayo!
Sarap manood.
Agency and shot clock.
Pinasok mo sana yun.
Ba naman yun? May gusto ng bola.
Okay.
Pasok niyo ulit si Jeff.
De La Cruz. Bakayan. Forrest deliver. Rebound. Follows up by Mohi. De La Cruz. Coronado inside. Yes, sir.
Sunod-sunod na.
Nako, habol na sila. 12 na lang, oh.
One dozen lead by Tasco.
Charles, 3 point, 3 point.
Mr. Clark. Oh boy, on traffic. 1 minute.
Palabasin sila, pakalmain. 10 na lang, oh.
Pascal at inside is slicing the court. Floor, open look. One goal, rebound. Follows up by Diomol at the under. Play by
Uncounted.
Diomol.
Penalty.
And Diomol.
52,
And
54.
10 points led by Tasco.
Ay, huwag tayo. Okay.
Looking for 3-point play by Diomol. Rebound. Oh, nice. Quick release by Floor. Alley-oop shot.
Toted!
Mr. Clark win the ball. Down by 8 points.
Ay, yung ginagawa mo.
Analahati try to rally. Down by 8. Sir, and whistle. Captain, they got the foul. A penalty situation. Foul. Take your seat. Rolling in business.
Parang ano lang.
The Diesel at the free throw. Boss, yes,
Yes, sir!
Diesel, find the ring. Last try by the Diesel. One goal rebound on the whistle. Yomol, take out the foul.
Wala, nakita eh. Nakita pumulak eh.
Another by Boy.
Grabe mag...
And Yomol, first personal fouls. Pass out. Tip. Yes, sir. From four. Coronado. To the front. Pass. No. Local story. Oh, boy. Club rebound by Boy. Under expensive foul by...
Bababalian ka ng kamay. Pag hindi ka mag-ingat-ingat riyan, parang vice grip yan.
Bahali
Yabi ko.
Foul!
Yung yabi yung gamit ko.
You will kick out and you will kick in.
Sigurado lumagotok yung kamay, no?
Borre, at the
This
front of
line.
line, try to increase the lead.
Bunga siya eh. Pasok.
Yes.
Yes, sir!
Stop.
Shoot mo, shoot mo.
One dozen.
Pass.
And ano, rebound, score.
Taray!
Colorado to the front court, pass to captain, captain inside, one goal rebound, the Diesel. Check it up, Mr. Cup. Inside.
Yung mo, last touch.
You, number 24.
29 takes to go, and 16 seconds clock.
May signal po siya na po.
16 seconds shot clock.
Kanina pa ako nagbibideo eh.
Ayos eh. Tagal mo bukat eh.
Oh. Pagod na